The AI hierarchy just faced a massive shockwave, and it didn't come from Silicon Valley. For months, Claude 3.5 Sonnet has been the undisputed gold standard for developers, the model we all turn to for complex logic and clean Python syntax. But the benchmarks just shifted. Moonshot AI's Kimi 2.7 has officially entered the arena, and the numbers are staggering. We aren't just talking about a slight improvement. We're looking at an open-source model that has outperformed Claude 3.5 Sonnet in specialized Python and C++ coding accuracy. This isn't just another incremental update. It's a signal that the gap between closed-source giants and open-source flexibility has finally closed. Today, we're diving deep into why Kimi 2.7 might just be your new primary coding assistant. To understand the hype, we have to look at the data. In the latest live code bench results, a benchmark designed to test real-world, time-sensitive coding problems, Kimi 2.7 showed a massive leap in zero-shot coding logic. While most models struggle with out-of-distribution problems, tasks they haven't seen in their training data, Kimi demonstrated a 15% higher success rate in generating functional C++ solutions on the first try compared to its predecessors. But it's the Python performance that's turning heads. In complex algorithmic tasks, Kimi is matching or exceeding the reasoning capabilities of models that cost 10 times more to access via API. This is reasoning-first architecture in action. It's not just predicting the next token, it's demonstrating a structural understanding of logic gates and memory management that we previously thought was exclusive to the industry's most expensive proprietary models. Speed and accuracy are great, but for a developer, context is king. Kimi 2.7 features a massive 200K context window. Now, we've seen big windows before, but they usually come with a catch: hallucination drift. Most models start to forget the beginning of the prompt once you're 50,000 tokens deep. Kimi is different. Moonshot AI has optimized its attention mechanism to map out entire software architectures without losing the thread. Imagine dropping your entire legacy codebase, thousands of lines across dozens of files, into the prompt and asking for a refactor of the authentication logic. Kimi doesn't just look at the file you're in, it understands the dependencies, the global variables, and the architectural constraints of the entire project. This needle-in-a-haystack precision means you spend less time fixing hallucinated functions and more time shipping features. Why does this matter for you, the developer or the founder? It comes down to sovereignty. We are witnessing a mass migration. Developers are beginning to abandon paid, restrictive APIs in favor of Kimi's local flexibility. Because Kimi provides comparable performance to the industry leaders, you can now run world-class coding intelligence on your own hardware or private cloud. This eliminates the two biggest hurdles in corporate AI adoption: data privacy and recurring costs. When you use a closed API, your proprietary logic is being sent to a third-party server. With Kimi, that intelligence stays within your perimeter. For AI engineers and tech-savvy founders, the math is simple. Why pay a premium for a black box model when an open source alternative provides the same, if not better, logic for the cost of your own compute? The release of Kimi 2.7 represents more than just a new version number. It represents a shift in power. For the first time, the gold standard of coding AI isn't locked behind a subscription gate in San Francisco. It's accessible, it's transparent, and it's incredibly powerful. We're moving into an era where specialized logic tasks, the heavy lifting of software engineering, will be handled by open models that we control. So, I have to ask, is the era of closed AI dominance finally over? Will you be moving your workflow to Kimi, or are you sticking with the reliability of Claude and GPT-4? Drop a comment below with your favorite coding model, and let's discuss the benchmarks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the technical disruptions changing the way we build. See you in the next one.